This is Leo, a sweet 7-month-old baby with light brown hair and bright curious eyes. This is Chico, a tiny light brown chihuahua who is brave, fast, and always ready for adventure. And this is Lucho, a brindle cane corso runt who is gentle, protective, and a little bit goofy. Today, something magical is about to happen in the backyard. Leo shakes his colorful toy rings, but they're suddenly gray. Leo looks confused. His toys have lost all their colors. Arf? Where did the colors go? Something feels strange. A tiny sparkle floats down from the sky. The colors have scattered across the yard. You must find them one by one. Let's go on a color hunt. Chico spots something behind a flower pot. I see something red. It's Leo's red ring, glowing softly. Lucho tries to pick it up, but it sticks to his nose. Leo giggles. Color number 1. Red. A soft breeze blows an orange leaf across the yard. Chico chases it in circles. Lucho bumps into a bush. Leo claps happily. Color number 2. Orange. A bright yellow butterfly lands gently on Leo's hand. Leo gasps and smiles. Wow, so pretty. The butterfly flutters away, leaving a tiny yellow sparkle behind. Color number 3. Yellow. Lucho's ears perk up. I hear something, ribbit. A green frog hops out holding a green toy block. Thank you, froggy friend. Color number 4. Green. Leo points to the kiddie pool. Inside floats a glowing blue ball. Chico jumps in, splash. Lucho jumps in, bigger splash. Leo laughs so hard he wiggles. Color number 5. Blue. A soft humming sound fills the air. A purple bubble floats toward them. Whoa, magical. Lucho gently pops it with his nose. Inside is Leo's purple ring. Color number 6. Purple. The sparkle returns. You found all the colors. The toys glow. The yard glows. And a rainbow stretches across the sky. Leo reaches up with a big smile. Chico barks happily. Lucho wags his whole body. And that's how our friends saved the colors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures with Chico, Lucho, and Leo.